Yeah, it's all or nothing.
It's all or nothing.
It's all we got. This is our moment. We'll never stop. No,
It's all or nothing.
it's in our veins. This how we do it. We run the game. Yeah,
It's all or nothing.
I want it all or nothing. I deserve it all. Since I came in the game, I came to win. Yeah, you know how I ball. Motivated, yeah, I'm dedicated and I won't stop. The underdog took over the top and that's my spot, and I won't flop, no. My team winning, game good like pure gold. Name known all over the globe. I came up hard, my heart cold. I push limits and I break modes. Go hard like beast mode. No shorts or days off. Hard work, get paid
It's
off.
all or nothing.
It's all we got. This is our moment, we'll never stop. No,
It's all or nothing.
it's in our veins. This how we do it. We run the game. Yeah,
It's all or nothing.
we will never stop until we reach the top. And you know my name. Yeah,
It's all or nothing.
it's all or nothing. I want it all, man. I need it all. It's all or nothing.
It's all or nothing.
I'ma go all in and never call it quits. I've been through it, all the ups and downs. All of that, it made me all of this. All the drive that I'm moving with. All the dues that I had to pay. All the moves that I had to make and never lose faith and believe in fate, yeah. But I got here, where I started from, I'm not there. All eyes on me, yes, my year. I'm ahead of the game like a light year. Gave blood, sweat, and even cried tears. To be the best and go this far, I had to take back what's mine. Either be great or die
It's
hard.
all or nothing.
It's all we got. This is our moment. We'll never stop. No,
It's all or nothing.
it's in our veins. This how we do it. We run the game. Yeah,
It's all or